Hi, I'm Hillary. Welcome to Teaching Moments. Today I want to talk about teaching our kids how to cook. Cooking is an essential skill that they all need to learn. I have 4 kids, and the first one, I just took her into the kitchen and had her help me cook dinner. And that's how I taught her to cook. But with my other 3, I wanted to do it in a way that was a little bit more formal. And since I homeschool, I decided just to do a health class. And so I was looking for a book that would help me to teach the kids. I found a lot of really good books, and there's also some good YouTube videos on how to teach your kids to cook. But I did find this one at my local library, and it's called How to Cook in 10 Easy Lessons. It teaches 10 of your basic skills, such as how to use a knife, frying, whisking, juicing, mashing, things like that, so that by the time they're done with this, they should be able to cook a side dish, a main dish, and do any baking that they would like to do. So they learn how to do the skill, and then there's recipes in the book for them to make something using the skills they just learned. My kids were between the ages of 8 and 12 when I did this, and I thought that was a really good age. I don't think I would want them to be younger than probably 6 to do this, just for safety reasons. So this was a really good skill for us to learn, for the kids to learn. This is a good book to guide us in it. Also, the only other thing I had to do was, because of our dietary issues, we have some gluten-free issues. I had to swap out some of their recipes that they had in there, and we just used some of our regular recipes, but I understood what skill they were working with, so I just found those and put them in there instead. Other than that, I think this was a really good book, so I would suggest using this book if you wanted to teach your kids how to cook. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's helped you.